Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can add bio on SoundCloud. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open SoundCloud application, then get logged into your account. Here at the homepage of SoundCloud, you need to tap on library icon on bottom of right corner. Inside library, you need to tap on the profile icon on top right side of your screen. There you can see your name. Just beside of it, you can see edit icon, tap on it. Here at the last, you can see the option of bio. You tap on it and go in for writing a bio that you want to upload. After you are done, you need to tap and save on top right side of your screen. Now here you need to tap and save on top right. And with that, the bio has been successfully updated in your profile. Now here you can see in your profile, the bio has been successfully updated. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can add bio on SoundCloud. Thank you.